Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the memorial of Saints John Fisher and Thomas More. They are both martyrs. Brothers and sisters, we have come to the last chapter of the Sermon of the Mount on the Mount of Jesus. And in this last chapter of the Sermon on the Mount, Jesus gives us a very practical yet difficult, and we are all guilty of, in terms of following this instruction of our Lord Jesus. He says, "Stop judging that you may not be judged." Mukhang napakadali, pero alam ko lahat tayo siguro dito ay in one way or another really have judged other people. Why? Because it's easier to point the mistakes of other people, the wrongs that they did, than to point our own mistakes. Kaya nga sa ating Panginoon, sabi niya, tinatawag niya itong hypocrisy when we notice the splinter in our brother's eye but do not perceive the wooden beam in our own eye. Well, the Lord is not telling us that we condone the mistakes of other people. What the Lord is telling us is, first and foremost, we have to see to it or make it a point that when we point the mistake of other people, is we do not have any bias or prejudice. It is a matter of really wanting to correct the person and wanting the good of the person. Yung nanaisin lang natin yung ikakabuti ng ating kapwa. Hindi para siya hilain pababa, siraan, hindi. Pero nais ng Diyos ay yung pag tayo magtatama, ay para lang dahil ito'y para sa ikakabuti ng ating kapwa. At hindi lang ito yung fraternal correction na nais ng Diyos. Nais ng Diyos na tulungan natin. Mayroon tayong gagawin para tulungan ang kapwa-tao natin na mapabuti. Sabi niya, you have to help that person. Hindi lang yung hihuhusgahan mo siya, hindi lang yung ipo-point mo yung pagkakamali niya, pero tutulungan mo yung taong yan na itama yung pagkakamali niya. Diyan tayo siguro mahihirapan kasi mas madali na lang na pag-usapan, mas madali lang ipagtismisan, pero yung itama yung kapwa-tao natin na mas maging mabuti, yan diyan tayo nagkukulang. At ito yung nais ng Diyos na ating magawa, na yung nanaisin natin yung kakabuti ng tao at meron tayong gagawin para mapabuti yung ating kapwa-tao na nagkamali. Ito yung ating misyon sa araw na ito. Nawa pagsumikapan nating sundin ang utos ng Diyos. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.